Hi, we are Greenlawn Garden Products from Taiwan, and today we would like to introduce our patented product. This is our patented product, Ratchet Roller Power Pro Lopper, 2 functions in 1. Ratchet function, cutting up to 45mm diameter. Power roller, double cutting efficiency. Simply switch to change the function right here. So basically, if the branch is too thick, we will switch to the ratchet cutting. And with the 3 to 4 steps, we can do 1, 2, 3, and 4 to save the energy and force that we use. If the branch is too thin, we can switch it to the 1 cut function. Simply just cut it with 1 time. If you are interested in our products, please contact us at www.greenlawnasia.com. Thank you for watching. We are a supplier for more than 40 years and we are professionals.